Remember those leaked renders of the Motorola Razr Plus 2024, also known as the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra in certain markets, that surfaced a while back? Well, there's more excitement brewing as a live image of the highly anticipated foldable smartphone has emerged online, providing a clearer glimpse into its design and sparking speculation about potential new features. The image was shared by 91 Mobiles in collaboration with the renowned tipster Sudhanshu Ambhore. From the leaked image, it seems Motorola is sticking closely to the established design of last year's Razr Plus and Razr 40 Ultra. The large secondary screen and dual camera setup on the exterior appear to be retained, offering the convenient option of accessing detailed notifications without having to unfold the device every time. We also catch a glimpse of the back panel, which, as per earlier leaks, might be available in color options like blue, orange, and green. The familiar front-facing camera punch-hole design is also visible. Moreover, according to reports from 91 Mobiles, this upgraded Razr model could come with a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, which is certainly a significant boost for those seeking a powerful foldable device. One notable detail is a discrepancy in the purported model number. Earlier leaks suggested it would be XT2453-3, whereas the latest leak reveals XT24510-3. However, this variance could be attributed to regional releases or different storage configurations. It's possible that one model is for the 50 Ultra variant, while the other is for the US-branded Razr Plus. The recent appearance of the Motorola Razr Plus 2024. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.